Sometimes you stumble upon gems on Hugging Face that solve very specific problems exceptionally well. And Schematron 3 billion is one of those models. It's not a new model, but I came to know about it when its creator revealed on social media that many large web scraping companies are still using their models. So this is a 3 billion parameter model purpose built and trained exclusively for converting messy HTML into clean structured JSON according to your own custom schema. Unlike general purpose language models, which you see all around, that can do extraction among many other tasks, Schematron was fine tuned specifically on web scraping data, which shows in its performance. They have shared this benchmark where you can see it has scored 4.41 out of 5 on extraction quality benchmarks while being significantly more cost effective than using larger models. And that is where it can also handle up to 128k tokens of context, meaning it can process very long web pages without truncation. And I think that is where many web scraping companies are using it because of its cost effectiveness, and it also guarantees schema conformant JSON output without any conversational fluff or narration. Let's get it installed locally and we will also play around with it. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have 1 GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let me start by creating virtual environment and I'm installing all the prerequisites. This is going to take a couple of minutes. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. While it installs all those prerequisites, let's talk more around its use cases, and that is the primary reason why I am covering this model. The practical applications are wide and deep and straightforward. Anywhere you need to turn unstructured web data into structured databases, like e-commerce companies can use it for price monitoring across competitor sites, news aggregators extract articles with consistent metadata, recruiters scrape job listings, or research teams collect data from academic databases. What makes it particularly valuable, in my humble opinion, is the schema first approach. If you go to their blog, they have also shown a lot of good things, but I'm just going to show you one cool thing. So this is the schema.org which I was talking about, and it confirms to this schema, which makes it valuable in my opinion. You define your exact data structure using JSON schema, and the model ensures every extraction matches that structure perfectly. A lot of goodies on their blog post too, which you can check out, and they have gone into a lot of detail. And as I said earlier, not a new model, released in September, also comes in 8 billion variant, and everything is installed. Let me now show you first code and we will then run it. So this is a code which I am going to use. So what this code is doing, it is importing all the libraries which we have just installed, and then it is loading the model, the Schematron 3 billion, and it is using it to extract structured data from HTML. It takes messy HTML like a product page, which I have just given as a sample, cleans it by removing scripts and styles using LXML. LXML is a Python library for parsing and cleaning HTML XML documents, and then after cleaning it with LXML, this code sends it to the model along with a JSON schema that defines what fields you want extracted, like product name and price. The model processes a clean HTML and returns strictly valid JSON matching your schema. From there, you don't have any extra text, just the data you specified. And I have also set the temperature to 0 for deterministic output that ensures you get consistent extractions every time. So this is what this code is doing. Let's go back and let me clear the screen, and now let's run this code locally. First time it is going to download the model. and the model is being downloaded. You can see that the size on disk is just under 7 gig. And there you go, you can see that the model successfully loaded, extracted the product name, product text and price 99 from the HTML and returned it as a valid JSON matching the schema we defined. Now in this next example, I'm going to do a real test use case on my own website, which is live, fahadmirza.com. And I'm going to extract this information from the home page. So this is a code which I'm going to use, where I'm doing exactly that. I'm fetching the HTML from this website, I'm cleaning it and then sending it to Schematron-3B with the schema defining what data to be extracted. So if I show you, I'll just quickly go down. This is a website. This is a schema which I want to extract, like name, tagline, sponsor, years of experience, and then returning it as a clean JSON matching the exact schema we provided. So let's see if it is able to do that or not. I'm also going to check out the VRAM consumption. So let me run this. It is going to load the model while it runs. Let's check the VRAM consumption. Shouldn't be too high. It is a 3 billion parameter model. So 6.3, 6.4, 9, that's it. So this is the VRAM consumption. And this is a schema. As you can see that this is far more reliable than traditional web scraping with like Beautiful Soap or regex or a lot of other things, because the model understands context and adapts to different HTML structures automatically, and it has done a wonderfully good job. It has produced it and returned me exactly conforming to the schema which I gave to the model. So that's Schematron-3B in action for you, a specialized 3 billion parameter model that turns messy HTML into clean, structured JSON, and no wonder many large web scraping companies are indeed using it. Hopefully they are paying the licensing to these guys. So whether you are scraping e-commerce sites, aggregating news, or collecting data at scale, this model handles it consistently and efficiently at a fraction of cost, as you can see. The schema first approach means you get guaranteed valid outputs every time, and running it locally on your own hardware gives you full control without any API cost. If you are doing any serious web scraping work, maybe have a look at this model to see how it works. The license is you can see it is Llama 3.2, so it is based on that model. So you would need to check it out if you're looking to implement it on commercial basis. That's it. Let me know what do you think in the comments. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member as it helps. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.